I'm Gordon Ramsay from the restaurant Gordon Ramsay. Without your team, you're nothing. 20 years in the making, built on a team dedicated to absolute utter perfection. Keeping that team together and inspiring them to push even further is the key. 3 head chefs in 20 years, pretty incredible. But underneath that, the talent and the chefs that have come out of this kitchen, multiply that by 20. Yeah, I'm very happy. Opening your own restaurant is a dream. Hitting perfection is the mission. Getting to a standard that outsmarts your competition is the objective. Winning 3 Michelin stars was a dream. Maintaining it's even harder. You don't find chefs like Matt that often. Taking the reins and running this business. Matt's been working alongside me for 10 years. Matt knows me inside out, so I function with Matt. I'm honest. I'm straight to the point with no bullshit. If you don't want perfection, then toss Caesar salads and flip burgers for a living. If you want to hit that level of creativity, knuckle down. And we have amazing days, we have some bad days. The bad days stay in the kitchen, so that kind of pressure's healthy, and very few can handle that. Matt can, and it's fascinating watching that level of development from Matt running the fish or running the meat or running the pasta, Claridge's, to running every section here at Royal Hospital Road. Do I want to be behind the stove in my 60s and my 70s? Do I fuck? I think I've made that quite clear. It's a young man, a young woman's game, and it's a healthy position to be in. My armband is off. I'm no longer the captain. I don't want to be a pompous chairman, sat there like an old fart that comes and eats here every Monday night with the missus. I keep it real.